1. Tired of a cluttered kitchen and complicated cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 pressure cooker is here to revolutionize your meals. 2. This incredible appliance isn't just a pressure cooker. It's truly 9 kitchen essentials in one sleek device, making it the ultimate cooking solution for any home. 3. Imagine pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, making yogurt, sterilizing, and more, all from a single pot. No more piles of different machines. 4. With 15 customizable smart programs, you can effortlessly prepare everything, from perfect rice and tender meats to delicious desserts, with just a touch of a button. 5. Plus, the durable stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy cooking, easy cleanup, and will last you for years to come, unlike non-stick alternatives. 6. If you're looking to save time, eat healthier, or simply upgrade your kitchen appliances, this Instant Pot is an absolute game-changer for busy individuals and families. 7. Ready to transform your cooking experience? You can find the Instant Pot Duo Plus on Amazon by clicking the link in the description below. 8. It stands out as the best multi-cooker because it perfectly blends advanced technology with incredible user-friendliness, replacing countless gadgets. 9. Investing in this smart kitchen essential means less stress and more delicious, homemade meals, proving its worth far beyond its price tag. 10. For anyone serious about efficient, versatile, and enjoyable cooking, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is undoubtedly the top kitchen appliance to buy in 2025.